Okay, hey everyone, welcome again here. Okay, good morning here. Okay, so today I want to show you for another series for Linux. Okay, especially today I want to show you guys how to install Linux on virtual machine. Okay, so right now, as you know that I'm using Windows. Okay, I'm not using Linux anymore, but now I want to back using Linux, but I want to install it on a virtual machine. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, so the first thing that you should do is, okay, I'm using Virtualbox from Oracle. Okay, you can download it on here, yeah, virtualbox.org. Okay, you can just download it again, and here I already download my Virtualbox. Okay, it's already here. Okay, and now I want to show you how to install the Linux. Okay, especially Ubuntu. Okay, because I'm using Ubuntu, and now let's just click add. Okay, so now oh yeah, sorry, next thing that you want to do is to download the Ubuntu, yeah, which is in here. Okay, let's just Ubuntu download. You can just go like, oh sorry, typo there. Okay, just download the Ubuntu here. Okay, which is the image. Yeah, you can just click it. Okay, just download. Oh, this is okay. You can download the Ubuntu desktop, yeah. Yeah, if you want to download the Ubuntu server, it's fine, but I'm using Ubuntu desktop on here. Okay, so don't forget to download that. Okay, so we can use the image later in here. Okay, so go to here, add, okay, and choose the what is it, your VirtualBox. Sorry, I think it's not add but new, yeah, sorry. Okay, so I want to type here, it's Ubuntu testing like this. Okay, so I want to choose the ISO image, which is well, okay, that's it. Okay, I already have it. Okay, Ubuntu desktop md .iso. Okay, so make sure the extension is ISO, right? So now I want to click next. Okay, you can set some setting here. Okay, like hostname, domain name. Okay, I'll just keep it like that default. Okay, for the username I want to maybe change to it to my name, and for the password, yeah, I just, okay, it's just for testing. Okay, so I just put the username and password. Okay, next is you want to decide like how many memories that you want to give to your Ubuntu. Okay, which is, I think the minimum is like 4 gig. Yeah, I think it's for, yeah, I think just put like 4 gigabyte. Okay, just to make sure that the Ubuntu can run smoothly. For processor, it's up to you. I don't have so many core processor here, so I just maybe just give it 4. Okay, that's already enough. The next thing that you want to do is I want you to create a virtual hard disk. Okay, so it's just create a virtual hard disk like a partition. Okay, and here just give it like maybe 20 or maybe even 10. It's fine. If for testing purpose you can just put it like 10 gigabyte. Okay, it's already enough. So just use this create a virtual hard disk. Okay, and if you want to pre-allocate, I wouldn't recommend it. Okay, just keep it disabled like this. Okay, because if you choose the pre-allocate on, okay, it will take your 10 gigabyte of your disk. Okay, even though if you don't use it. Okay, so I just want to disable it. Okay, next is just the finishing. Okay, we already have all, okay, set up. Just click finish, and it will install our Ubuntu. Okay, actually, okay, as you can see here, powering VM. Okay, it's loading. Actually, the process is kind of long. I mean, it depends on your specification hardware, yeah, but I think it can take around like 10 or maybe even 20 minutes. Yeah, so it's, yeah, just go grab a coffee or eat something. Okay, while you waiting installing the Ubuntu. Okay, so it's just automatically. Okay, just let's wait. Okay, yep, it's getting installed here. Okay, actually that's how you can install Ubuntu or maybe another other Linux distro, yeah, on virtual machine. Okay, you can choose another software. Okay, not Oracle via VirtualBox. Actually, there are some options that you can choose, yeah, like maybe virtual machine or anything. Okay, but I'm using VirtualBox from Oracle here. Okay, and here is the process of installing Ubuntu. as I told you, okay, it can took some few minutes, so yeah, just wait for it. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Nice. Just wait, okay, and then maybe I can show you like this. Okay, this is like a file. This for machine. Okay, you can take the snapshot. Okay, so snapshot. Okay, maybe if you don't know what snapshot is, it's like a backup for your server. I mean, if you are using also like Linux, you can take snapshot. Yeah, just it's like taking a picture of your current sorry, a current OS. Yeah, so it's used for backup. Okay, so as you can see, okay, you can just the view, okay, like full screen or no. Okay, I'm just giving it like this. Okay, you can choose the input device. Okay, so you can check it. Okay, like how actually this is okay, this is maybe can be program the share folder. Yeah, you want maybe to share your host and virtual machine OS, yeah, folder. Okay, so you can click in on here. You can go to share clipboard also. Yeah, so maybe can if you are using this both virtual machine and your native OS, yeah, you want to like seamlessly, okay, just doing like this. Okay, share clipboard. Okay, you can choose like from host to guest, which is guest is on the host from our virtual machine, or you can choose the bidirectional. Okay, also. Okay, so you can just copy on the Linux and then you can paste it on your Windows. Okay, if you're then it's same, yeah, with the drag and drop here. You can just choose if you need it. Okay, of course, yeah. So yeah, I think that's all that I can show you with you guys. Okay, the process is kind of long. Okay, so maybe the video will be too long for you guys, but trust me, after this process is done, that you can use your Ubuntu. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, I think that's very simple, right? Okay, so you can try for other distro also, other OS. So that's all that I can show with you guys. Okay, hopefully it can be useful for you. Okay, so just comment down below if you have any problem. Okay, I'll stop the video here and see you on the next time, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.